Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira, and for today's video, I am finally going to be doing a room tour! If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Moira. I recently made over my room and I made it into a series here on YouTube, so I'll be sure to link the previous parts down below. All the stuff that's been leading up to this point, it's on YouTube, so check those out. Yeah, I'm just so excited to share with you guys the new room. I love it so much. It's so nice to be in a place that's more you. If you design your space well, it's gonna benefit you, I promise. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's jump right into the room tour. Woo! Welcome to my crib! So I guess we're going to start off this tour with, of course, the door. So this is my door. I have this license plate. It says Audrey Hepburn 1929-54, which was her birthday because I love Audrey Hepburn. Behind it, I mostly have my bags. This is what I use whenever I go out. I have some caps. I have a cap here that says Barbie. I have this cute Charles and Keith bag. It's like a satchel bag. Oh my god, remember satchel bag days? Oh my god. Behind it, I also have another JanSport backpack and other backpacks I just store inside the backpacks to save space. On the right side, I have my construction hat, basically arky stuff. By the door, I also have my hula hoop because I love hula hooping. So when you walk in, this is the first thing that bumps you in the head. It used to be a display cabinet, but if you watch my previous video, I DIY'd it. I covered it with spray paint so that you won't see what's inside, because basically what's inside is all just clutter. I won't open that anymore. I have here my calendar. Over here, I also put up some pictures. This is a picture of me and Kim. This is her reco letter to me. Aww. This is also another gift from Ilka. Aww. There's also a letter inside. 1 month after ko lang nalaman na may letter pala sa likod nun. Ang galing ko, no? Tapos wala si Carrie kasi hindi niya ako binigyan ng picture namin. Sorry, Carrie. Then I also have a picture of my family when we went to Hong Kong for the first time. It was my first time out of the country. At tinan nyo naman ang pangit. I also have this certificate. This was the first ever certificate I got from UP. That was first year, first sem. Yes. And this is just a postcard of Arya Stark. Above it, I have this Barbie doll. It's the 2016 birthday Barbie because I celebrated my debut last 2016. I have a 3D puzzle of the Empire State Building because I want to visit New York someday. And I have a squishy collectible because I love squishy. This was from Hong Kong. Okay, and next up is my vanity. I love this so much. I spend most of my time here since it's like a vanity and study table in one. First off, this chair is from the Fur Factory. This pillow is also from the Fur Factory. I got this desk from classicmoderninterior.com. It used to be brown and I just painted it white. And this Vanity Mirror, this is portable. I got this from Vanity Mirror Manila. And ganyan siya kapag binuksan. And then what's on my desk, so over here, I have my alcohol. I have this mason jar of my mermaid brushes. It's so cute, right? Ah! I have here my comb, brush, and a rose that I got from Ilka back in high school. This tumbler, it says Forte Impromptu, which was my club, yung parang souvenir ng graduate kami. And on the right side, I have a makeup storage box. Yan lahat ng makeup ko. Hindi ko napakita. Basta makeup yan, okay. And then, I also have here my skincare products. Then, on the vanity mirror, I just put this sign that says, "Can you not?" Which is basically my motto in life. And then, I have the Statue of Liberty, which was a gift from Kim when she went to New York. I have the products that I use every day, which is my perfume, lotion, the professional pink version, so cute, and Pond's BB cream. And then, on the left side, I have like my pen, scissors, cutter, highlighters, and I also have some tissue kasi kapag sinisipan lang. And this makeup mirror I got from Pumasaw for only 150 pesos. And then, for my drawers, open natin. Wow! So much clutter! On the left drawer, I have my collection of shades. 5 shades lang yan. Elastic, zebra headband, no spore strip, some sunblock. Pumuputi ako dito, hindi ako medium. Airspun loose face powder, Nichido powder, a bunch of makeup removers, of lotion, micellar water from Garnier, and Vitress hair freshener. Ito maganda to kasi hindi siya like sticky and nagpapabango lang talaga siya ng hair mo. On the right side, I have a donut bun, Batiste hairspray. Ito, this is the Zoella Kissy Missy Lip Balm. Madami pa siya, pero feel ko expired na yan. My Tangle Teaser, Petroleum Jelly. Nalagay ko sa lips ko before I sleep. This is just some more cotton. And then I also have my headband, tali, and then this jewelry box that holds all my cheap earrings. Tas mga patches na hindi ko pa nagagamit. And on top of my vanity, I have, of course, an electric fan and this DIY artwork that I did. Oh my god, it's so cute. This side, unahin natin tong drawer na to. So the first one, I have my stock. Yes, look at that. A bunch of colognes, lotions, nail polish, you name it, it's here. Oh yes. The other drawer, I have gadget stuff. So like chargers, blower, Bluetooth mic. This drawer, this is fun. I put all my books in here. I have the Infernal Devices, I have City of Heavenly Fire, Rain Chronicle, Shadowhunters Codex because I love the Mortal Instruments. City of Bones is actually my favorite book but I don't own it. So this mirror, sa ano to, ring light. Girl Online, my Sims collection. If I Stay Where She Went, Before I Fall, the Holy Bible nandun din sa likod. Gift din sa akin to ng friends ko nung nag-turn ako ng 16, so it's basically like a scrapbook. This is me, Love Marie. I have a lot of photo albums. I buy this type of album, yung sticker type, para pwede ko ilagay kahit ano dyan, like halong pictures and then the memorabilia. And on the third drawer, these are notebooks that I use as a child. I have some almanac, Bratz books. Wala nang ganito ngayon, guys. These are my favorite. High School Musical, meron din. Audrey Hepburn DVDs. Ito yung A4 paper ko kasi madalas A4 ginagamit namin sa Archie. And then a bunch of random stuff. Dito pala to. Fourth drawer. Alright, ano to? Ano to? I have some ribbon, sewing kit, Hello Kitty jewelry box. Then I have some bloom bands. Oh my god. Sobrang addict namin dati. Tapos tinan nyo to, gumawa ako. Nakalagay, Moy. Invites for my debut nyo. Ang cute to. Oh! So cute. And finally, the last drawer. Basta ito yung mga sketch pad ko. I have a lot since Archie ako. I have this huge A3 clear book. May laman siya ng mga favorite plates ko. This one is my favorite. Okay, so over here is my shelfie. On the top, I have my Barbie Life in a Dream House doll. And oh my god, guys, nanonood ba kayo ng Life in a Dream House noon? Sobrang funny niya. As in, panoorin niya.
Oh, where is it?
I have this Barbie doll. It's wearing my gown from prom ko. Aria Store Collectibles, a lunch box that I used back in high school. Inside it, I have more letters. Yes, ang dami. Ang dami kong friends. Actually, hindi. Tatlong friends ko. And I have my Instax camera. Cute Oscar. It says World's Greatest Friend. Kasi ayokong bumili sa Singapore ng World's Greatest Daughter kasi feel ko ang corny. Tapos ngayon medyo pinagsisisihan ko kasi bigla ko may random na World's Greatest Friend. My Instax photo album. On the cover, it's me and Heart Defensor. And then I have this. It's supposed to be a makeup bag, but it's just full of markers. Here are some rock candy collectibles. So this Barbie 1959. Lara Croft, my favorite video game character. Barbie na, ito yung sa Toy Story, diba? Here are some books. Itong malaki na to, this was my album for my debut. One of my faves from Anna Kendrick is called Scrappy Little Nobody and sobrang funny niya. Maganda din to, Behind the Blog. And of course, V Heart V! Vernon Bernice, my favorite. And then, this is a cute random muhon that I got in a building in UP. Again, I have another sign which says Mermaid Lovers Club Unite. These are my like journals, notebooks, and some more books. One of my faves is this, Paano Ba To? By Bianca Gonzalez. Sobrang helpful niya, guys. Meron din ako yung kay Maine. This one, grabe, grade school pa lang ata ako nito. Miley Cyrus Smells to Go. Sobrang ibang-iba na yung tsura niya ngayon. I have Michelle Phan. Meron siyang autograph from Michelle Phan. Galing sa States. I have Bethany Muto's book na napasign ko din sa kanya when she went here in the Philippines. And then beside it, I have my frame of medals. This one is for being an honor student, yeah. Loyalty Award, and this was for cheer dance nung in drums. And this one is for a declamation speech nung first year ako. Next are my new curtains. Itong pink na curtains na to, pinagawa ko siya kasi I didn't find any hot pink curtains because I guess that's not uso. But anyways, this one is from Landmark. This is my bed. White sheets and white pillowcases are from Metro. And then I have some throw pillows. This purple furry one is from the Fur Factory. This gold one is from Mandawi Foam. And then ito pinagawa ko din siya. I have my two squishy stuffed toys which are so cute. Underneath my bed, I have some storage. On this drawer here, I just have some random bags. These are more like paper, scratch paper, pwede kong gamitin. And then yung mga notes ko din dati. Over here are my school supplies. Rulers, I have my Metro, pencil cases, everything I need to survive school. It's there. Then above my bed, I have this gallery wall. Let's start with this frame. This one is a DIY I did. I just put A Million Dreams Are Keeping Me Awake from A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman, which has like the best soundtrack ever. This one, again, it's a letter actually sa likod niya. And then this one is another DIY using real makeup. This one is a poster of Audrey Hepburn. I got this somewhere in Trinoma. And this one is a gift that I got. It says, Follow Your Dreams. And I'm pretty sure that one is from Papa Milrodi. This one is a blow-up photo of me during my debut. Yeah, so grand! This is a Broadway Wall Street sign that I got from our home. This one is a gift from Kim. I'm pretty sure this one is from Typo. And finally, the last one is another DIY that I did. It says, it's hard to wait around for something you know might never happen, but it's harder to give up when you know it's everything you want. Here, I have my super furry rug. This one is also from the Fur Factory. Ang cute ng color niya. It's like either white rug na sobrang dumi or mukhang aso. On this side, I have my closet. This closet is from Urban Concepts. I won't really show you what's inside anymore because I already did that. I'll link it down below where I made over this closet. Just above it, I have my pop collectible, the Friends collection, Stranger Things Season 2 collection, Holly Golightly, Regina George, my favorite from Mean Girls, favorite video game characters, Lara Croft and Aloy from Horizon, Manolo and Maria from the Book of Life, and over here, I have a Barbie doll wearing my debut gown. Finally, last part of the room. So here, I have this foldable table from Ace Hardware. Wow! This is what I use kapag nag-film ako if ever I need a table, ganun. Here is my school bag sitting on the stool from Ace Hardware din. And then here, I have Guitar Hero for PS4. Kakabili lang namin to. And sobrang addict na kami. And I think that's my whole room. But that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. And don't forget to also click that notification bell button so that you're updated whenever I post a new video. This has been so much fun to do. Turn it into a series. I've just always wanted to make over rooms ever since I was a little girl. So to be able to do this in my own space is just, I'm speechless. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!
If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna